I'm working on a Ford F150 Lariat. This happens to be a 2010 model. You're looking at the blower motor for the heating and air conditioning inside the truck. And additionally, here is resistor, and I'll show you the two things that might be going on if you lost the power to your fan. So in this case, this resistor is burned up, and I'll show you where this goes in. This just has 3 bolts holding it in, or technically screws, and they're 8mm. So if you look under the glove box, here it is at the base of the passenger side floor. There's only one screw that's a little bit difficult to get to, and it's the one closest to the floorboard. But if you have a 1/4-inch drive ratchet set with a universal on it, you can get up in there. So we're taking those 3 bolts off, and you can unclip the power right there. And then right in the nearby vicinity, there's just 2 screws that hold that resistor into place, and those fans are actually within the cooling mechanism, or the fins of the resistor. So think of the resistor kind of like a dimmer switch on lights in your house. This is just controlling the amount of power so that you have the multiple speed fan, like better than the high, medium, low control. So this is just a plug and play as well. And you can just twist this squirrel fan right out from underneath there with a little bit of wiggling and patience. You don't have to tear out the entire glove box. And if you go to your manual for the vehicle, or in this case look it up on the internet, find out where the fuses are, it'll show you specifically there's the blower motor relay and number 3 switch, and then there's also a F51 spot for another relay. I'll show you what that looks like under the hood. So this has its own number diagram, and you can just find the corresponding spots here. So in this case, here's the number 3, and over here is the number 51 spot. And so you can check, make sure that you have power there. Not a bad starting point before taking out the fan. You could diagnose if you have power at the fan before taking it out just by taking the wire loose and checking for power there. Hope that helps.